In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a fuel log on GasBuddy. Whether you're keen to track your fuel expenses or monitor your vehicle's fuel economy, GasBuddy offers a handy tool to do just that. Let's dive in and make sure you're making the most out of this feature. First, you'll want to open the GasBuddy website and sign into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you can easily set one up by following the website's prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll notice your profile icon at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down menu, select My Account. This will take you to a page with various options regarding your GasBuddy account. Now, scroll down until you find the Fuel Logs section. Here, you'll want to click on View Fuel Logs. This is where all your past entries are stored and where you can manage your fuel log data. It's a useful way to keep a digital record of your fuel purchases and driving habits. Once on the fuel logbook page, look for the Add Fuel Log button and give it a click. This is where you'll enter your latest fuel purchase details. You'll need to provide some key information, such as the purchase date, fuel type, gallons, price per gallon, and mileage at the time of fill-up. Entering your mileage can be especially helpful if you're interested in tracking your fuel economy over time. It allows you to see how efficiently your vehicle is running, which can be useful for budgeting and maintaining your car. Additionally, GasBuddy gives you the option to enter some extra information, like the station city and station address. You can even add a note about the fill-up if there's anything specific you'd like to remember, such as a change in your usual route, or a different gas station brand you decided to try out. Once you've filled in all the necessary details and any optional information you find relevant, simply click Add Fuel Log to save your entry. And there you have it. That's how to add a fuel log on GasBuddy. It's a straightforward process that can help you keep track of your fuel spending and driving efficiency. Regularly updating your fuel log can provide valuable insights over time, especially if you're looking to optimize driving habits or manage expenses. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial makes your experience with GasBuddy even more convenient.